Understanding, in the past decade. A guide to time phrases in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase, in the past decade. Understanding this phrase will not only help you grasp time-related discussions better but also enhance your English fluency. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. In the past decade refers to the 10-year period that has just gone by, leading up to the present moment. When we break down the phrase, in the signals a specific time frame or period. Past indicates that we're talking about a time that has already happened, not the present or future. Decade is a term that means 10 years. So, putting it all together, in the past decade, helps us talk about events, changes, trends, or experiences that occurred within the last 10 years from today. To help you better understand how to use, in the past decade, let's look at some examples. 1. Technology has advanced significantly in the past decade. 2. In the past decade, the world has seen a dramatic increase in the use of renewable energy sources. 3. Many new authors have emerged in the literary world in the past decade. These sentences show that the phrase can be used to discuss various topics, including technology, environmental changes, and cultural shifts, all within the context of the last 10 years. Understanding and using the phrase, in the past decade, is important for several reasons. It allows you to discuss historical trends and changes with precision. It helps in academic, professional, and casual conversations to pinpoint when something happened. It enhances your ability to express observations about the recent past effectively. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Remember, the past decade shifts as time moves forward. What was referred to in this context last year might not be the same this year. This phrase is often used in formal and informal analyses to discuss changes over a significant period. Practice using, in the past decade, in your sentences to discuss recent history or trends you've noticed or learned about. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand the phrase, in the past decade. It's a handy way to refer to the recent past and discuss changes and trends over a substantial period. Keep practicing, and you'll find it easier to incorporate this and similar phrases into your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.